Wait, so are people that aren't even playing the game getting banned?
I think it's
I think they're only banning blatant cheaters.
Is it from today, or is it from like built up ban requests? You know what I'm saying?
No. I think it's like literally like a rank play bug from today.
No, he got caught up for using those fucking VPNs. I'm telling you.
There's no way that Zach is the same amount of fucking ban requests at the same time. There's no way.
You're saying it was a coordinated attack?
Yeah, I think whoever it is a FaZe fan.
Oh.
What? You think so?
Yeah, we beat him in champs finals. Like they're getting their revenge on the LA Thieves. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's gotta be it.
Oh. Maybe it's because you haven't put enough ass into your, you know, like the stuff.
What?
I don't know, bro. I kind of just started talking there and I couldn't
Vivid got banned
find
also.
anything.
Everybody's getting fucking banned. Even Vivid.
Wait, who got banned? Reese Vivid?
Reese Vivid's gone. He's a gone.
Peace. Peace.
He got kicked off. He got banned from the rocker too.
Whoa.
Honestly, these filthy cheaters are coming to light.
Ah, that was toxic. That was toxic.
Yeah.
Sorry. I was supposed to keep that one in house.
Chat, hold on. I gotta lock the fuck
He's
in.
supposed to keep that one in house.
Watch this.
No, that's crazy.
I think in-house was my new go-to just whenever I start saying stupid shit.
Oh, how much was that one for, Nadeshot?
Oh, I didn't get paid for nothing.
Oh, okay, all good.
That was just for the love of the game.
Oh no, Apex kid?
Yeah. I wouldn't refer to him as a kid. I think he's a god. He's always spoken as one
I
as
dropped
such.
40. Can I have the challenge? Because it's holy shite.
There we go. Seth making it about him.
Yeah, you're not even fucking trying to like gas me up or hype me up. You just said, hey,
Dude, I
keep
gave
the
up
cash.
on it. I gave up on it. I'm not even gonna cap.
You're a fucking asshole, bro. You know that? I just got banned as well.
I think it's a rank.
I think they're only banning blatant cheaters.
It's a pleasure.
Or actually, I don't know if I got banned, but I got
Yeah,
kicked.
you got banned. You're gonna be banned when you get back on.
All right, let's go. Finally get some street cred
send
for this
that
Cronus
text.
I've had plugged in.
Wait, yeah, what the hell, bro?
Chat, that's so sad that we have to play Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader?
I am scared for my
Oh,
They're bad for
they're
people that just don't have the fucking hookup to get unbanned. They're just getting banned and can't play the game anymore.
it's a life lesson.
I'm scared.
It's a life lesson,
Matt
LaRue.
got banned too, bro. Our whole org is cheating.
No,
Fuck
bro.
yeah.
Fuck's it up.
Hey, boy.
I don't know if I'm actually
Great.
banned. Maybe I just got disconnected.
I'm licking it. I'm
Chad, I
licking
got
it.
banned. That's so
Toby.
sad. Can we get 100 gifted?
Oh.
Honestly, these filthy cheaters are coming to light. Boy, is this
Octane got
Octane.
knocked at the
Oh.
floor.
I definitely
this
want
time?
to rip this.
Oh,
Wait,
back
we got
at
splits.
him.
We got flip.
Fuck off for the rest of the
Well,
day.
I think we got
I got
splits.
parallel.
Yeah. We,
I got banned for using a Cronus. And now I'm going to use all my influential and inside connections that I've built up through this long career of Call of Duty to get unbanned. So good luck, brother. Good fucking luck trying to figure your shit out, you dirty cheaters. Does anybody know my
one's in the
Activision
back. I'm trying
ID?
to get some time.
Oh, I'm in a mean one right now.
Nadeshot. Where are you?
I'm over here beat meat. I got banned, brother. They said I'm too powerful. They need to nerf this guy. Chat, they've sent my Activision ID in, so we'll see what happens. And that, my friend, is called privilege. Fuck. Me getting my account unbanned? You think I'm flexing that too much? Problem, but we sure can't solve this account banning issue. Unban me, please. Walk. Oh, don't say restart. Please don't say. Don't tell me I'm unbanned already. I was kind of enjoying the yapping again. I've got low energy. I'm restarting, Chad. Don't worry. Yo, Machete, thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Floater, thank you very much for the prime. Jamesy, Hova, thank you, gentlemen. Do. Oh, I'm unbanned. Let's go. Whoop. Yo, Spence, thank you so much for your help. But yo, you think you can add them, like top me off with like a little, I don't know, 2,000 SR just to make up for this lost time? I mean, I certainly would have earned that all in the games that we played, but I feel like a little jump ahead of everybody would be nice to have. Just a nice little, just put a little SR in my bucket. We won't tell nobody. They'll never find out. All right, Chad, that might have been a little privilege. I'm unbanned and I'm ready to fuck. Let's go. No, they cannot unban you. Please stop asking. Damn, McGowan, you're really taking a hard line here, bro. Yo, Chad, that was kind of out of left field for McGowan. Should we punish him? Damn, this guy McGowan is... Yeah, he's gatekeeping privilege. Unban me, Nadeshot, baby. You know the price, brother. You know the fucking price. It's 100 gifted, man.
Fuck did this guy just go?
I'm the middleman. I gotta be paid for my stress of getting you unbanned. It's the only way.